sunflower hatching on the go.
Got to do the commentary.
Yeah, I know.
Coming up to the board next. Yeah, down. And have a good look. Flat crank.
Go up again. Again, speed. Ah, that's better.
Fuck it, we'll go up 2 gears.
Nope. Don't like that.